Iji ABCD Igbo making words with ABCD Igbo. So you're going to help us to identify the correct one here. So let's start. Looking at the first one we have here is A. Now the options we have is Ezi, Akpa, A, Ezi, Akpa. Let's see. A, we have Ezi, Akpa. Let me believe that you know what these words means in Igbo language, in English language either. So we have A, Ezi, Akpa. Which one is the correct word? Which of these words here have the letter A? Okay, we have Ezi, Akpa. I think it's Ezi, right? Okay. Ezi, Akpa. The correct word here is Akpa. 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 Ezi, Akpa. Then the next one is what? Be. We have what?